Hi everyone, it's Wednesday. It's 5 o'clock. So, welcome to my Wednesday live at 5. We like to discuss on this session some things going on within Supermums. And today I'm delighted to share about Marketing Cloud. It is a course that's very coming up very soon. So, I think it's something that I would like to let you know a little bit more about. As I always say, if you would like more information, please reach out to myself or one of the team, and we will be delighted to help you on either next steps or if you're already in the industry, we can help you to steer you in the right direction, depending on where your plans are. So, the the upcoming Salesforce Marketing Cloud course, it can accelerate or launch your career. So, again, as we like to say, Marketing Cloud is one of the most powerful tools in Salesforce. It helps businesses rather create personalized, automated campaigns at scale. And the skills are in huge demand right now. We hear from the trainer that some organizations don't take projects on because they haven't got enough people doing Marketing Cloud. So it's a really great um, course to do right now. As I said, it's in great demand. So, just a little bit about the course itself. So, the start date is we have a welcome call on the 13th of October. So very, very soon, you can literally throw yourself into this. And then week one will kick off the week later. So week one is the 20th of October, and that will be Mondays and Wednesdays from 7 till 9:30, so 2.5 hours. Mondays and Wednesdays, so 2 days a week over seven weeks. And obviously, if you're working, it's great times. And of course, globally, uh, I'm talking in UK time zone, in BST. But if you are anywhere on the planet, obviously that time hopefully will coincide and work with you as well. So, as I said, it's a 7 week program. There's 16 hours of study per week. And as I said already, 2.5 hour sessions twice a week. So, the certification that you will be preparing for is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. So, that is a foundational course for marketing. I would suggest you're either in the ecosystem or you're a marketeer if you want to do this. I think that's probably a great start. There is no prerequisite. With Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so you can literally, if you're a marketeer especially, this is something that you can throw yourself into. Of course, in terms of career beyond, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Specialist is the foundation, but you might go on to be a Marketing Cloud admin or a Marketing Cloud consultant. But again, if you want further advice on any of that, please talk to myself or one of the team. So the cost of the course you will find on the website. So if you go to the website, you choose the course that you're interested in. It will open up. You can have a look at all the information. So it's supermums.org, so it's easy enough to find. When you find the course of choice, the blue button that says enroll today will give you the price of the course. But that particular course, which I'm talking obviously in GBP, is 1,500. Again, you can alter the currency and find the currency for wherever you are, whatever you're planning to pay in. So you also get, amazingly, access to 7 week Marketing Cloud trial org. Now that is awesome. So you get to practice everything you're learning. And if you've been looking at training, you will find that probably you won't find I don't know about anyone else, but you won't find many organizations that offer that trial org. So that is really important. You'll also get support from an experienced Marketing Cloud mentor, which again is really, really important. I know that I did the admin course back in the day, which is, of course, the foundational knowledge for any of you that are brand new. Um, However, having a mentor I just found so valuable. So I think whatever training you do with us, ask if it includes a mentor, because that is really good to have. So in terms of the course, it's flexibility to study around your life. Now, whether you're a parent, we have mums, dads who join our course. You don't have to be a mum to do training. Our mission, of course, is to get more women into tech, but you don't have to be female to do this course. And we also train teams. So we did a large marketing cloud course recently for a big corporate. So absolutely, if you want 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 of your team to come on training with us, whether it's marketing cloud or something else, then absolutely reach out to one of us, and we will all we're all here to help. So we can advise accordingly on what you're looking for. So we deliver, in terms of the next marketing cloud course, which is in October. The delivery is the sorry the we deliver the official Salesforce course for this, the October one. um, we'll need to talk to you about the following one, but at the moment, the one in October will be build and analyze customer journeys using Marketing Cloud, which is the official MKT 101. So I would say that if you're planning to do Marketing Cloud, get on board with the October course. The following course will be changing. So I think that if it's something you're planning, please don't wait, because this is that official build and analyze customer journeys using Marketing Cloud. As I say, it's the official MKT 101. Following that course, I'm not exactly sure how it's going to look. But of course, if you can't make this one, then we can absolutely advise you on the next Marketing Cloud course. But this is the one to do. This is absolutely the one that's going to get you to where you want to be. So obviously, the benefits, you're going to build on your existing marketing skills. You're going to future proof that career. And you're going to join a supportive community of mums, dads, and professionals, as I said, that are learning together. And I think that is so important. Having the community behind you where you are learning, you are having that support, you're having the structure, and you're having the guidance. That is where you're going to come out on top for sure. We welcome groups, we welcome teams. So anyone that is looking to upskill, it's a brilliant way, especially if you're an organization. Your Salesforce investment is so valuable to you. And I think if you get everyone streamlined and everyone doing things, I know that we speak to people, quite a lot, where they say that everything isn't streamlined in Salesforce, and that they need some help and support. We do have many ways that we can help and support you, but absolutely today I'm talking about Marketing Cloud. So I will just throw it out to the floor. Does anyone have any questions at all that I can help with? If not, then absolutely send me an email. I can see someone from Ethiopia is online, so I don't know whether you've got any questions. Please let me know if you do. We have people globally that train with us, as I said. So anything you need from me, wherever you are on the planet, please let me know. You can email me. My email address is simple. It's Lynn. You can see it down there. It says LYN. So it's Lynn at supermums.org. So it's really easy to remember. I will pop it in the chat. I'm also going to pop the details of my Calendly link. So you're very welcome to book in some time. The way that looks is you book in, whether, as I said, whether you're an organization or an individual, you book in some time in my calendar. It's completely free. We can grab a coffee, we can have a chat, and I can advise you, whether it's Marketing Cloud or something else you need advice with. At Supermums, we do training, Salesforce training, we do recruitment, We've got some great packages on managed packages as well. So, as I say, any way that we can help you, please reach out and I would be delighted to advise you. So if no one's got any questions, as I said, Johannes, thank you very much for popping that in the chat. It's great to see you come. Ethiopia is a long way. I can't even say it. Is a long way from here, so it's just great to see people all over the world that interact with Supermums. We are a really well-known and respected brand in the industry, and we're always here. And as I always say, we're always happy to help. So please let me know if I can help you in terms of the Marketing Cloud training, or as I said, anything else, I'm always here. So if you haven't already, check out the Mums on Cloud 9 podcast because you'll find some really useful and interesting information in there. That's a fun way to understand all sorts of different values in life. So training, look at our website. Recruitment, hire, train, deploy, all of that, look at our website. But absolutely reach out to me with any questions. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're watching this live or you're watching this on recording, please feel free to find me on LinkedIn, find me on Facebook, send me a message, email me. And as I said, I'm always happy to help. So hopefully we'll connect very soon. Take care. See you next Wednesday.